For the presentation of the award of Best Actress in the Web Series in Ziwachi category, please welcome a Belly Plus sponsor, the representative of Belly Plus and Monica, the representative of La Corniche, the representative from La Corniche, our sponsor La Corniche, please make the way forward of the award. Congratulations again to the winner. You both were looking so regal. You looked almost planned.
Absolutely.
Stressed by all means. The award giver, the award receiver. I like this energy. Well done. Now, on to the next.
So this one was on the female side.
Yes.
Now we have also on the male side, Lifetime Achievement Award.
Congratulations once again for the Best Actor TV series, Romania. So for every Best Actor, the counterpart is the Best Actress. And we're about to find
Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Félicitations, Charlie.
Now,
What is the next?
the Best Actress is the next as the reasonable next choice. We will have the Canadian High Commission representative step forward to present the award. Please step forward to present the award. If not available, we will ask kindly the Executive Secretary of the National Youth Council to do us the honors of presenting the Best Actress Award. And we are the nominees.
Turebe amashusho y'abakinnyi ba filime muri muzi wacu Best Actress TV Best Actress TV series.
training. Not only the master classes, but also film screening and film market. A big thanks for the audience for your unwavering support that makes this event possible.
Thank you very much, jury. Thank you. Mwakoze cyane. Merci beaucoup.
Presentation of the award to the winner. A representative from our sponsor, Canal Plus.
Est-ce qu'il y a un représentant de Canal Plus avec nous?
Igitsina gore ari bakeya muri creative industry. Turavuga ariko twebwe na festival bw'iki twakora. Niko gutangira iriya project against the cinema. So naragiye ndabara nsanga tumaze gutoza abagore barenga 340. Kati tiyo twafashaga abana bavuye mu mashuri bari mu vacances, bose byatambutse neza. Ni tumenye sinema ukurikije workshop tumaze gukora yose, tumaze gusanga harenga abantu 200 tumaze gutoza.
Around 1,800 people so far. All the masterclass and workshops that we did for the past 10 years.